welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Here I scratch in my account, Kid Code 123. In this project, I upgraded called Minecraft Crash Game Cat vs Dog version 1.1. So you see that I changed the background into a fox. This fox sleeping, very cute. And now I'm going to show you what I changed. So for the grilled salmon and for the raw salmon, if the wolf touches it, so if touching wolf, it will play wolf sound, and then it will change scores, bones, wolf chewed by 1. So the wolf will get a point if it gets the fish. In the raw salmon, if touching the wolf is the same code as the grilled salmon, except it's in another sprite. So
in the last version, the wolf only got points if it got the bone.
Yeah, and it will minus points if it touched the creeper. So for the cat's upgrade, if it is touching the creeper, it'll play the bite sound, even though if a cat doesn't eat a creeper, it scares it away. It will change scores / fish the cat ate. It will just be scores. That's why I just add the score / fish the cat ate. And I changed the background to a cute little fox sleeping. The other background was just like a normal Minecraft background. I thought that would be a little bit too lame, so I just changed it into a cute fox, even though if a fox does nothing in this game. Yeah. So let's play.
Use the lost keys for the fox. I mean the wolf, and you use the arrow keys for the cat.
Also, if the creeper touches the red line, it will minus points for either of the cat or dog.
Wolf won 15-3. You want to play again?
I guess the wolf has an advantage because it can get both fish. So that's an advantage, which this cat hates.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to 5.
10 points.
At least you improved. In the first round, it was on 12.
One more time.
Fine.
It's because the fish always touches my enemy fish with the raw.
So you should just get the creeper.
Yeah, but if the salmon touches the red line, then it's going to minus points.
15 to 5 again.
Except the timer is 31 seconds, which the other one was 41 seconds, I guess. Yeah, we took more time in this one.
Okay.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.